There's something at my door. Let's go see.
They could just jump into the TV and jump into a world that was like really full of beauty and fun.
It was almost like I thought.
Oh, what could this be? That's my primer. That's my primer. I'm going to do some stuff to the car with my paint and primer. Check it out.
Yes. Thank you, Pee-wee.
Oh boy. Look what's here. My air intake. Oh yeah. And we're painting the shroud metallic blue. Let's roll. Get the Chally breathing and looking like a show car. Thank you for joining me. Slow car SXT Rice is really coming out. Happy Memorial Day. Thank you, everybody. There it is. And here we go. Gonna put the cold air intake on. The shroud I'm not so pleased with because this paint is not working very good. And I put the adhesion promoter, top coat adhesion for plastic trim and vinyl. So I don't know, may need another coat on it, we'll see. Well, stay tuned. I did it. We did it! Let's go drive and see what this thing will do. That's the temperature on it right now. It's supposed to be colder, huh? I don't know if I got it on right or not. The coupling near the throttle body really worries me. It's so much bigger than the tube, and there's not another clamp to tighten it up, so it's kind of loose within the throttle body area. I may have to ask somebody, is this like how it's supposed to be, or is it okay? Well, I bet you we'll find out. Plus, there's the hose that goes into the other pipe, and it doesn't want to fit together. That could be a problem. I got the clamp, but I'm gonna have to make sure I get the hose in there and tighten it up, make sure it's there. But that's the only thing. It took me a good minute to do it though. That shroud didn't want to tighten up for the air filter cone, and the connector was just really horrible. I had to have extra hands to tighten it up and hold it together, but it's still kind of loose. I don't like loose things, so I'll have to take another look at it, but it's on. Now we go to get some drinks. All right, we'll be back. Oh, what could this be? With my paint and primer. Let's see what we got here, man. It took me a good minute, but I got it on. But I got to check some things when I get back home. I feel like it's got a little bit more throttle response. I mean, I don't hear anything major. Let's see. I got it on sport mode. verbal. Yeah, between 3,000, 2,000 RPMs. It's gonna get used to it. It's got to break in a little bit. The Spectre cold air intake. I'll give my reviews here shortly. I'm going to live with it and see if what happens when we drive it a little bit and see if it'll fit. I'm just worried about some of those connections, but I'll have to check out and see if I did it right or not. But let me know if I did it right, if I didn't do it right at the throttle body part. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm not doing a 0 to 60 yet. I've just got to make sure everything's tight when I get back. But I got it on, baby. This is the satisfaction of being able to do it yourself. You get the right tools and just take your time, let it flow. Let's do videos and watch and see if you can do it. What I've been doing, I've been watching some other YouTube videos. Happy Memorial Day. Hope you're having a good time with your family. Take a little time to get to know yourself again. De-stress from the work days. Thank God for what we have here in this country to do what we do. That's what it's all about. Some gave all. Some gave all gave, some gave all gave some. Oh, I hear it now, sucking the air. It's about to rain. I'm glad to finish before raining. Alright, that's enough. Get back home and get some pizza, baby. Watch some movies. I'm watching that Pee Wee Herman documentary, man. That is so good. I loved him so much. I'm going to finish that documentary, man. It is so good. I recommend that you watch it, find it. I don't know where it is. I guess Netflix got it going on. Or HBO. I think maybe HBO. Sorry, HBO. Oh, it'll get it. Yeah, it's a V6. So what's next? I don't know. I don't know. Wheels and tires, I know that. I'm trying to sell a few Hot Wheels to get some funds up for some nice SRT gunmetal gray 20-inch. Oh, here we go. car is so fun. I'm glad I got it. I ain't worried about it. We'll let this thing cruise on out and put my Hornet decal on the hood and get that other stuff off. And then we'll see what we can do. Oh, it's raining. Raining, baby. Alright, this concludes the video. Thanks for joining me. Check me out on TikTok, slowcar_SXT_Rice. That's what this car is, and this is my life. And thank you for joining me and sharing this video. Make the comments if I did it right or wrong. Help me out. I'm just starting out doing it yourself. You know me. I always tended to go to get somebody else to do my stuff, but nah, I was very determined to get this put on myself, so I did it. And now I'm satisfied. So let's hit that notification bell. See you on the next episode of Slow Car SXT Rice. Peace, baby.